Well, Katie, the CDC has shortened its recommended quarantine period by half from 10 days to 5 for Americans who test positive for coronavirus but are asymptomatic, as long as they continue masking for an additional 5 days. The reduced isolation period also applies to people exposed to COVID-19 who are unvaccinated or more than 6 months out from their second vaccine dose but not yet boosted. Those who have received a booster shot do not need to quarantine after exposure, though they should wear a mask for 10 days, according to the agency. Dr. Anthony Fauci says given the sheer volume of new cases being seen nationwide, which experts believe will continue, a shortened quarantine period will help our society continue running smoothly.
One of the things we want to be careful of is that we don't have so many people out. I mean, obviously, if you have symptoms, you should not be out. But if you are asymptomatic and you are infected, we want to get people back to the jobs, particularly those with essential jobs, to keep our society running smoothly.
The CDC says the updated quarantine recommendations are motivated by science showing transmission usually occurs in the first few days before and after symptoms appear. And this afternoon, President Biden met with a bipartisan group of governors, including Minnesota's Tim Walz, to discuss how his administration can help each state's response to the Omicron variant. Ahead of his meeting with the White House COVID response team and the National Governors Association, the president said, frankly, quote, "There is no federal solution to the challenges Omicron presents, but the federal government stands ready to help however possible."
This is not like March of 2020. The beginning of the pandemic. We're prepared and we know what it takes to save lives, protect people, and keep schools and businesses open. We just have to stay focused and continue to work together. My message to the governor is simple. If you need something, say something. And we're going to have your back in any way we can.
President Biden also reiterated his plan to distribute 500 million rapid COVID tests starting next month and increase support for hospitals across the country. Katie?